Ever since the beginning, space travel has been hard, and it will likely stay that way for the foreseeable future. Currently, space travel is controlled by two groups: government space agencies and private space agencies, mainly for two reasons. One, because it's costly, and two, because space travel is hard. For this example, let's take a look at the Apollo missions, which were about $10 billion a mission. 6 of the 9 missions were completed successfully, and since the general public doesn't have $10 billion to spend on one manned rocket launch, things have stayed the same, with the government and private space agencies staying in control. But that is about to change. And it all starts with this spacecraft here, an easy-to-make weather balloon spacecraft bringing your payload to the edge of space. But this project is not going to be easy. It's going to take time to design our space capsule. It's going to take time to test our spacecraft, and most of all, it's going to take money to put this project all together. And because of those reasons, designing, testing, and money, I will be teaming up with the YouTuber Nyan M to help create this spacecraft. As we are still in the process of designing our space capsule, more details will come, but to get those details, remember to subscribe to me and Nyan M's channel. Thanks for watching.